Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are looking for the coolest new way to stay cool this summer, then definitely check out this air conditioner unit from Midea. I really love this new innovation from Midea, and I think it is just the coolest thing, pun intended, ever. This unit is U-shaped and sits inside your window, so you have the option to be able to open and shut your window and let fresh air in if you want, which has always been my biggest gripe with air conditioners. It is so nice, so sleek, and good looking. I also really appreciate how quiet this unit is. It is whisper quiet. My parents have this in their bedroom, and my dad said this is the quietest air conditioner he has ever had, and he cannot stop singing the praises of this air conditioner. So it also comes with an app. So you can set your air conditioner to start running before you even get home. So you come home to a nice frosty room. It also has a great remote, so you don't have to get up and down, or if you don't like to have your cell phone in your room, you can still control this air conditioner from the comfort of bed. I think this is definitely a must have in any home that you need to use a window unit in. So I highly recommend this unit from Midea. I think it is so great, and that is my point of view.